Do you feel like there's too much information going around and you just can't control it? Now is the time to return to being a hero instead of a zero. Welcome to the new era of data management, where you're in control of the situation while being able to make more informed decisions based on only the most relevant data available. Genius Core by Process Genius is a top-of-the-line digital twin for professional use in demanding environments. A digital twin is a mirror image of its surrounding environment. Its user interface collects data from a company's background systems into an easy-to-understand, visual and analyzed form. The software as a service platform enables information flow throughout the entire organization while providing a perfect 24/7 view of the current situation. And you? You can make more informed decisions based on the most relevant data available. This browser-based platform is fully configurable according to your company's needs. It can be utilized in daily management tasks by monitoring and providing updates on production, as well as observing and ensuring adherence to quality and security standards. A role-based user interface enables profiles and views for people in different organizational roles. Genius Core combines all sources of data while optimizing their use. You can also add new data points to track according to your need. Process Genius has extensive experience in industrial environments and software development. We've always been pioneers in digital twins, while others are still learning the ropes. The features of Genius Core are constantly evolving, paying itself back sooner than you know. Don't let data noise stop you. Harness the power of business intelligence and analytics and start making better decisions by gaining confidence through control.